Hi, I'm Mr.Kostenko, and this is my Trading Academy. Today we will look at how to trade on the Binarium platform. Before we start, I want to remind you about my private Telegram channel, where I give out my trading signals absolutely free of charge. I share useful articles and help everyone who trades with me to become a future independent trader. The link to the channel is in the description below this video. Be sure to join us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so what you don't miss new video. Binarium is one of the most popular binary options brokers. It offers a user-friendly interface and a variety of trading tools, which makes it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced traders. There are a lot of fake websites now. For your safety, you need to write to me in Telegram and I will give you a link to register. In addition, you will receive a pleasant bonus, which I will tell you about later. So let's get started. Before you start trading, you need to register on the broker website, Binarium. The registration process itself is quite simple and will take only a few minutes. At first stage, go to the Binarium website. To do this, click on the link what is located under this video. I would like to draw your attention to the fact what I'm giving you a reliable website. The second stage, account registration. Initially, we are open the main page of the site, where the process of registering a trading account take place. We find the Sign Up button, click on it, it is located in the right corner of the screen. Then the account registration window opens, and then step by step, first enter your email. Then we come up with a password. By the way, the system itself will help you choose the right number of characters of your password so that it is secure. You also need to choose a currency for trading. I use the American dollar myself. But now it remains for us to confirm the rules of the platform. Check the box and click on the Open Free Account button. Our trading account is almost ready. All that remains is to confirm his registration on the electronic post, what you indicated in the email window. Log out to your mailbox and make the confirmation itself. The email usually arrives initially, but there may be a slight delay of up to about 5 minutes. So please wait, take your time. After you confirm your account, it will be available to you for full-fledged trading. Remember what it is always necessary to comply with the rules. Do not risk more than 5% of your deposit to complete the transaction. But I have not yet told you about the bonus for all those who register using the link what I will give you in my Telegram channel. You get a bonus up to 100% for your deposit. Be sure to regularly follow the flow of market, news, and economic statistics. This is necessary in order to be aware of important events what may affect the dynamics of your chosen asset. Better yet, subscribe to my Telegram channel. There, for your convenience, I post my trading ideas and analytical articles. I will also share trading signals and strategy with you. The link in the description. So, today we learned how to start trading on the Binarium platform and what you need to know and do to make trading decisions. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave comments. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments or write to me personally. Have a good trade!